What's up, guys? I'm gonna explode this huge TNT stack right here. As you can see, 250 TNT in the stack, and also some animals in this fence, in the fence. And can we get 10 likes? I hope we do. So let's do this. Getting flint and steel, and I'm gonna explode this TNT. 3, 2, 1. Cow. Cow, cow, cow. Whoa, 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 whoa! Did you see that? That was so amazing. That was actually really cool. Even the bedrock has been destroyed, as you can see. See that? The bedrock is oh, so cool. Maybe we can make something over here. Kind of cool. So that was a huge explosion. That's pretty much it for today. This is my first video, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I will talk to you all later, and see you guys all later. Bye bye.